So another aspect of financial maths is taxing the wages. Again, this is pretty typical for the junior cert and it starts showing on the living cert. Now, ordinary level obviously have that almost all the time, a little bit more complex than this simple scenario, but it did show up as well on the higher level. So Tomás, we are looking at Tomás that works as a chef in the restaurant, and in part B, we are told that his gross income was 1,900 last month. Then he paid tax at a rate, then he has tax credit, and then we have to work out net income. Now, when it comes to financial maths, the most difficult for young people is vocabulary because you don't deal with financial maths in everyday life. So let's just consider that when we are saying that something is gross, that means that is including tax. In other words, that in this 1,900, there are his money, but there is tax as well. So that is including tax or with tax or before tax are deducted. Or we can say before tax are taken. So whatever simple language works for you. Then we have net income. So one is when we are talking about something being gross, and then when we are talking about something being net, that is excluding tax. So it is excluding tax without tax, we can say, or after tax are deducted or collected, however, or taken, however you want to phrase that. So, but that is the main thing. So our structure, when we are thinking about gross, we have gross, and in that gross, we have two aspects. We have net value, and then we have tax. And whether it has to do with wages or VAT, the idea is the same. That gross will include in itself net and tax together. So that's the idea. Now, here we have as well something that has to do with tax credit. Tax credit, how will I explain that in terms that is relevant to you? Is like a top up on your phone. I know we don't do top ups anymore, really, but it's like it is given to you. You don't have to pay, as if you've paid already that money. That's what tax credit is. Okay, so how do we do this calculation here? So we are told that he pays 20% rate. So 1,900 we multiply by 20% or 0.2, however you want to put that in your calculator. And when we put that in the calculator, we get 380. From that, we're going to take away the tax because that means that that was already paid. That's what that tax credit, we don't have to pay that. Therefore, we are left with 67.5. Now, we need to look at net income. So that means gross minus tax will give me net income. So in this case, our gross, which is 1,900, minus the tax, which is 67.5. And again, we put that in the calculator and we get 1,832.5. Like I'm saying, is that important? Yes. Well, it's important for life so that you, when you're going to get one time, at some point in your life, you're going to work so that you understand how wages are working when you are getting your pay slip. But here's very typical for Junior Cert, and like I'm saying, it does shows up on the Living Cert as well.